Have you ever thought about the apps lurking on your phone? One of the most dangerous applications you might have is a seemingly innocent one, your messaging app. Yes, the very app you use to chat with friends and family can be a gateway for hackers and cybercriminals. Let's break it down. Messaging apps often require access to your contacts, photos, and even your location. This access can be exploited. Cybercriminals can use these apps to send phishing messages, tricking you into revealing personal information or clicking on malicious links. Once you do, it's game over. Your data can be stolen and your identity can be compromised. Now, consider encryption. Many messaging apps claim to offer end-to-end encryption, which means that only you and the person you're communicating with can read the messages. However, not all apps are created equal. Some may use weak encryption methods, leaving your conversations vulnerable to interception. Always check the security features of the apps you use. If they don't prioritize your privacy, it's time to uninstall. Firewalls are another layer of protection that can help safeguard your device. They act as a barrier between your phone and potential threats from the internet. However, if your messaging app is poorly designed, it could bypass these defenses, allowing hackers to infiltrate your device. Always keep your firewall enabled and ensure your apps are updated to the latest versions. Let's talk about the financial implications. Cyber attacks can lead to money laundering and fraud. If a hacker gains access to your financial information through a compromised app, they can drain your accounts or use your identity to commit fraud. The consequences can be devastating, both financially and emotionally. Viruses are another risk associated with these apps. Malware can be hidden in links or attachments sent through messaging platforms. Once you click on a malicious link, it can install harmful software on your device, stealing your data or even taking control of your phone. Always be cautious about what you click on, even if it comes from someone you trust. Artificial intelligence is also playing a role in this landscape. Hackers are using AI to create more sophisticated attacks, making it harder for traditional security measures to keep up. They can automate phishing attempts, making them more convincing and harder to detect. This means you need to stay vigilant and informed about the latest threats. So, what can you do? First, review the apps on your phone. If you find any that don't prioritize security, remove them immediately. Use apps that are well reviewed for their security features. Enable two-factor authentication wherever possible, and be cautious about sharing personal information. I encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments. Have you ever experienced a security issue with an app? Let's learn from each other. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insights. Share this video with your friends to help them stay safe too. For even more information and resources to improve your tech skills, visit our site at www.techrooms.eu. Thank you for watching and stay safe out there.